Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a complete guide on how to create a poll in a community group on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, tap on your community. This could be a specific group or a larger community that you're a part of. Step 3. Within your community, select a group where you want to create the poll. Tap on the group's name to enter. Step 4. Look for the link icon within the group. It is usually represented by a chain symbol. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Now, find the poll icon, which is typically represented by a bar graph. Give it a tap to access the poll creation feature. Step 6. Type in your question in the provided field, and then add the different options that participants can choose from. Step 7. Finally, when you're ready to launch the poll, simply tap on the play button. And there you have it. You've successfully created a poll in your community group on WhatsApp. Polls are a great way to gather opinions and make decisions together. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching.